Crazy vocal. Hey you! Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking. I'm Official Keen Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm here to learn about the music, the culture, and also the heritage of this specific country. So I've discovered this gentleman. He goes by the name of Noam Batten. Never heard of him, never seen him perform before. So this is actually going to be an informative performance for me. The next star for Eurovision 2026. Okay, and this shot that he's going to perform, Madame, never heard of it, guys. Right? So my people, so with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what's going on. Peace.
מדם ממדם איך זרמת לי בדם התמכרתי לקסם שלך אני רק בן אדם.
Alright, so this is his voice. Very smooth, very good, not too hasty, not too raspy, quite soft and refreshing. Let's go because I'm loving what I'm hearing so far. Let's go.
מדם ממדם אני ילד מטומטם תודה שנתת לי לגור לך בתוך העולם את שברת אותי עם כוונות טובות ראית מה שלא ראיתי את תמיד נשארת את צודקת ובסוף אני טעיתי
Crazy vocals, beautiful voice. Okay, so guys, look, I'm not sure about the language, what he's singing in, or the message that is being coming from this song. But guys, as I stated, I'm here for the music, all right, the culture, and also the heritage. But what I'm hearing from him, it is deep. It is very good. He's singing from his soul. He's singing realistically, all right. So when music is literally real, you can feel the music. It doesn't matter the language, whether it's in English or a language different from what we know about English of. The music will literally hit you because of what he's doing or what they're doing. Alright, so very darn good. Very good. Let's go.
איך הלכת לי שם מפואר כמו בחור שאיבד את הדרך
שר מאוד יפה.
מרשים, אין מה לומר.
מדם ממדם לא שכחתי שזה קיים היית גל של אמת בתוך ים של שקרים בעולם אז מדם כן מדם לא נפלנו לזה סתם כי עברנו שיעור להפוך את השבור למושלם את שברת אותי עם כוונות טובות ראית מה שלא ראיתי את תמיד נשארת את צודקת ובסוף אני טעיתי
Got it. Okay, he's remarkable. He's just too unnatural, bro. Right? I mean, like, everyone has their different way in singing, but this one stands out. This one is different. He's different. He's peculiar, right? And when he sing, you can feel the realness coming from him, bro. He's too realistic. Oh my god, yo. Okay, so guys, if you guys have the lyric in English, please leave it in the comments because I would love to see what he's trying to say here. Why he's singing so realistically. Damn, bro.
איך הלכת לי שם מפואר
ככה מפצצים.
כמו בחור שאיבד את הדרך ואת כמו סתם מדם עברת אותי עם כוונות טובות, היית מה שלא ראיתי. את תמיד נשארת, את צודקת, ובסוף אני טעיתי. אני שמח
יאללה, אסף, תן לו את זה, תן לו.
וחייב לך תודה על הדרך, ולעולם לא אשכח אותה.
הטלוויזיה של ישראל.
That was amazing. That was well delivered. That was well done. I mean, like, his voice is literally unique. He performed very well. I mean, like, real music never fades, bro. And if you're a real artist, it doesn't matter how old your song may be, it doesn't matter how old you may be, good music never dies. Okay, my people, so well done, Noam. You've done well. You've done a superb job, and I do like the fact that you came out and you've delivered, right? So, Noam, you've earned a fan, my bro. You've earned a fan. So, my people from Greece, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more, turn the bell icon on to be notified for whenever time I release another reaction pertaining to Greece. You all won't be missing any reaction referring to you guys. So I'll see you all around.